Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Jason Vlogs and Reviews. And today we got something special. I got a special present in the Amazon, from Amazon here. We're going to do an unboxing. So let's see what's in there. And it's the Mythical Cookbook. Mythical Cookbook. For y'all that don't know, Rhett and Link is the host of Good Mythical More, or Good Mythical Morning, and Good Mythical More. And Josh, the author of this book, is the head chef of the Mythical Kitchen, and they put out this lovely cookbook. This is different recipes that they've done on Good Mythical Morning, or they've done on Mythical Kitchen. Really cookbook. So there's recipes in here. They kind of went over it on the March 11th episode of Good Mythical Morning and Good Mythical More, because that's when the book was, or that's when this was released for sale. I actually pre-ordered it. So I've been waiting on it for a while. There's pictures of the crew. Stories that they have, recipes like the Fruity Pebbles pancakes. Here's some muffins. Skittles, milk, French toast. Yeah, it's a nice little book of all different types of things. So yeah, this is the Mythical Cookbook. They got a few things on the back here from different actors and chefs and authors about it. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed, please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'm Jason, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!